Hello everyone, we are going to see about shade selection. The determination of the color and other attributes of appearance of an artificial tooth or set of teeth for a given individual is shade selection. Now we are going to see tridimensional property of color. In 1900, Albert Henry Mansell, he described tridimensional property of color, which is very basic for shade selection, which includes hue, value and chroma. First we'll see about hue. Hue is the basic color which is used to distinguish one family of color from another. For example, red, green, blue as determined by the wavelength. Next we'll see about chroma. It is the intensity or saturation of the color. It is classified as weak, moderate or strong. Next we'll see about value. It is the amount of darkness or lightness in the hue. Different types of shade guides. There are two types, visual and electronic shade taking device. In visual, there is Vita Lumen Vacuum Shade Guide, IOCLAR Vividine Chromoscope, Vita 3D Master. In electronic shade taking device, there is colorimeters and spectrophotometer. These are the visual shade guides pictures, and these are the electronic shade guides which include spectrophotometer and colorimeter. Now we are going to see about shade selection guidelines. First, the walls and cabinets should be in pastel or light colors. Shade should be matched at the beginning of the appointment because the teeth will become dehydrated and operator's eyes will become fatigued. Now distractions like heavy jewelry or makeup, everything should be removed. Teeth should be free of stains and plaque.
The teeth selection should be done in a natural light with a viewing distance of 10 inches from the patient teeth. The entire shade guide is first scanned quickly with the tooth and the worst matches should be eliminated first. The teeth selection should be made within 5 seconds of keeping the tabs to the tooth, because beyond 5 seconds the operator's eyes become fatigued and it leads to the misdiagnosing of the shade. The shade selection should be done in the order of hue, chroma, next is value. The value is first better off selected by squinting of eyes.
So now we are going to select hue. Hue is represented as A, B, C and D. A represents reddish yellow, B represents yellowish, C is greyish and D is brownish. Next we'll see about chroma. It is represented by numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. The higher the number, the higher the intensity of the color. Next is value. Squint your eyes to determine the tooth's lightness or darkness. Left side light shades high value and right side dark shades low value. Now we are going to select shade for this patient. First we are going to select hue. Hue which is suitable for her is B and C. After selecting hue, we are selecting chroma. The chroma which is suitable for her is number 1. Now at last we are selecting the value, which is the lightness or brightness of the color. According to this patient, we selected two, B1 and C1. We are keeping the B1 and C1 close to her teeth on either side and checking which resembles more like her teeth. In this we are selecting B1 for this patient. Factors influencing shade selection. Observer-related factors, age and experience, gender, eye fatigue and health. Environmental factors, light source, moisture and cleaning, background and contrast, and time of the day.